I'm Alexa and I am a senior trainee at the London Centre for Psychodrama, and I've just returned to training after 19 months break for maternity leave. So I returned under completely different conditions to those in which I left, very different circumstances at home of course as well. But since I left the training to have my baby, COVID-19 has come into our lives, and I returned to working not as part of a big training group of 20 people, but in a little bubble of 6. A completely different experience of psychodrama, and what a chance to exercise that incredible spontaneity and creativity that psychodrama founder and pioneer J.L. Moreno has always taught us is the best way to live our lives. So we learned to hold eyes instead of hands, and learned how to get that intimacy, get that connection without any opportunity to touch. It is such a rich method to learn and to experience at a time when we just find ourselves really quite at sea. So do come and play with us, come and do an experiential workshop, maybe come and do some training. We would love to welcome you, and what better time to engage in a different way of connecting to the world and connecting into yourself. I really hope to see you at school soon, and take care.